everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for authentic Sichuan recipes. Today we're going to make the very exciting Sichuan hot pot. Who doesn't love having hot pot with friends and family? I will first show you how to prepare the ingredients for hot pot and how to prepare the soup base from a store-bought hot pot soup base. Then we will cook and taste every ingredients in the hot pot. Now let's get started. First, let's boil some quail eggs. Quail eggs are one of my favorite ingredients to cook in hot pot. We will boil them first and peel them. Next, we will be preparing sliced spam. Spam is regularly used in hot pot. It may sound a little different, but it tastes so good in hot pot. Simply slice it and place them on a plate. Another ingredient I wanted to add is frozen tofu. It is literally tofu put in a freezer, which creates a different texture. This is tofu skin. They come in a package of dried bean curd sheet. We soak them in water ahead of time and then cut them into strips. Now we will take out some frozen ingredients that can be purchased from most Asian grocery stores. These are fishball with roe, imitation crab, fish balls, and fish tofu. You can find all kinds of frozen products for hot pot at the store and pick up whatever you like for your hot pot. The quail eggs are done, so let's peel them. The eggs are prepared, and I bought beef tripe from the store, and these are already fully prepared, so I just need to move them into a bowl. Next are the veggies. Today I have some lotus root, and we just need to slice them. Then we will slice potatoes. You can change the portions based on how many people you are preparing the hot pot for. I also bought some hot pot meat. Today I got lamb, beef eye round, and ribeye. Lastly are some fresh leafy vegetables and mushrooms. I got cabbage and lettuce. My mushroom mix includes shiitake mushroom, enoki mushroom, and beech mushrooms. There are a lot of Chinese hot pot soup base options in the store. I will share a few options today. First is a brand called Little Sheep. You can see the cute sheep logo on the package. Next is a brand called DeZhuang. On the package, the numbers show the level of spicy that are available. The one I got is 45 out of 75. I also found a very interesting hot pot base. Comes in a both plain and hot soup base. Today we're going to go with Little Sheep's plain soup base and DeZhuang's Sichuan hot pot soup base. For the plain side, open the packets and add in all the ingredients. It comes with a powder base, some fermented soybeans, oil, and goji berries. This soup base smells slightly medicinal as well. Then I added some sliced ginger, green onion, and sliced tomatoes for flavor. For the hot side, I used half of the brick. Simply put it in the pot and add boiling hot water. Now that both sides of the hot pot are ready, start the fire. It's time to make the dipping sauce. For a Sichuan-style dipping sauce, we use sesame oil as a base, then add finely chopped garlic, cilantro, and green onion. I like to drizzle some vinegar and add a little bit of oyster sauce. Mix it all up. Now the soup is boiling. Make sure all the soup base is melted. Let's cook. I will start with spam. Put them in both hot soup and plain soup. Take a slice of beef tripe, dabbing it in the hot oil of the spicy soup for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and it's ready to eat. Dip it in the dipping sauce for the best flavor. Beef tripe has a crunchy texture, and it is considered a delicacy in Sichuan hot pot. For the thinly sliced hot pot meat, all you need to do is cook it for 1 minute because they cook so fast. After tasting a few ingredients, we will start adding fish balls, fish tofu, tofu skin, and frozen tofu in both the hot soup and plain soup, depending on what you like. There is no rules when it comes to eating hot pot. The ingredients will be ready one after another, and you can eat, talk, cook new ingredients with friends. Hot pot is best enjoyed with a big group of people, so you can try lots of different ingredients, and it is just so fun to have it. Lastly, we will add these potato noodles made for hot pot. Make sure to leave these to the last, because adding noodles in the beginning will make the soup thicker, which is not ideal for cooking other ingredients. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about making hot pot. Subscribe for more Sichuan recipes, and I'll see you next time.